Have you ever wondered how successful organizations and projects create lasting change? What is their secret? So in this video, we're diving into a powerful concept called the theory of change. This strategic planning tool has changed how we approach complex social and environmental challenges. Whether you're a nonprofit lead or a social entrepreneur or simply someone that is passionate about making a difference, understanding the theory of change can be a game changer for your efforts. So, what exactly is the theory of change? It's a comprehensive description and illustration of how and why a desired change is expected to happen in a particular context, right? So think of it as a roadmap that connects your actions to your ultimate goals. So here is how the theory of change typically works. So you start by clearly defining your long-term goal. Then you move backwards to identify all the conditions that must be in place for that goal to occur, right? Once you do that, you need now to map out the causal relationship between these conditions, showing how one leads to the other. Finally, you articulate your assumptions about how this change will happen. Once you put everything in order, you now have to develop a visual representation of your change process, showing how path from your current activities will lead to your desired impact. One would wonder, why should one have or learn or develop a theory of change? Let me run you through just the few importance or benefits of having a well-defined theory of change. So the number one is theory of change brings clarity and focus in your project. So a theory of change forces you to articulate your goals clearly and think critically about how to achieve them. So it helps you to distinguish between what you're doing and what you're trying to accomplish. The second thing, or the second benefit of having a theory of change, it helps you to plan. It helps you to develop a good strategy. So by mapping out the entire change process, you can identify the gaps in your logic, uncover the hidden assumptions, and also spot the obstacles before they even arise. Imagine having that in place, right? Then the third thing is it helps, improving the evaluation. So with a clear theory of change, you can develop meaningful indicators to measure your progress. Simple as that. The other thing is improved communication. When you have a well-developed theory of change, it's going to serve as a powerful communication tool. It will help you articulate your vision and strategy to stakeholders, funders, partners. Another thing is adaptability, which is the fifth benefit of having a theory of change. So as you implement your plans, as you gather the data, your theory of change provides a framework for learning and adaptation, right? It allows you to refine your approach based on what's working and what's not working, aligning as well as ensuring your efforts remain effective over time. In the current space right now, creating a meaningful change requires more than just good intention, right? So a theory of change now provides a strategic approach to tackling some of these big challenges that we're currently facing, right? So by clearly mapping out your path to impact, you can increase your chance of success and create lasting positive change in this world. So remember, a theory of change is not written in stones, right? It's a living document that evolves as you learn and grow. So start crafting yours today and unlock the full potential of your change-making efforts. If you need further clarity, you can always reach out and we can discuss and develop and work together and develop a theory of change with you.